1st of December, first weather report. Sunny with a little bit of cloud. Hey peeps, merry Vlogmas. Shall we head down to the main house and see if Mum and Dad would like chocolate for breakfast? Merry Vlogmas! Let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Merry Vlogmas!
Be merry.
Oh God. Okay, awesome. So yes, we have calendars. Chocolate for breakfast.
How exciting.
For the next 24 days. Dad's really excited about it. Trouble is, we don't do it in the morning.
No.
It doesn't get done.
No.
So, yeah, you first.
Me first?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no coconut and there's no coffee in yours. That's why you
Fine,
didn't.
number 1.
That's why you didn't get the Ferrero Rocher one, because that one has coffee
There it
and
is,
coconut
down the
in
bottom.
it.
Oh.
Number 24 is huge.
Yeah, that's good.
Double helpings.
Dusted truffles. Oh,
You got a pink one,
pink one.
which is Chocky's coffee, I think. So yeah, Mum's got Monty Bojangles. Dad didn't get this one because I bought them for his birthday last year and he didn't like them.
Very pretty. Let's hope they're as tasty as they look.
Well, you liked them. That's why I got them for
I
you.
like truffles, yes. I do like truffles.
I really like them.
Is that it? Oh.
Well, not finished yet.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
It's just pure
Chocolate.
dark chocolate.
Yeah. It's Chocky's coffee. It's not flavoured this time.
Alright.
So Dad has a Ferrero Golden Gallery.
Yes.
There's number 1.
Yes.
There are many varieties in here. 5, 6, 7.
So there's gorgeous.
Oh gosh.
There's sumptuous.
Yeah. Any suggestions for words of the day?
Exquisite.
Word of the day would be
Exquisite.
gratefully received.
Or bleh. Right. I can only see one bleh one. Okay. Let's see what this
You like
is.
coffee? Other side.
Can't find my way into a chocolate box now. What's the world coming to?
Oh dear.
There was a time I could do this in the dark. What? Have you seen it?
Yeah, it's the same.
Get the magnifying glass out.
It's the same size as the ones that you got from Lauren. That one is tenderly dark. Oh, all right then.
I like that.
So we're all dark today.
There's certain overtones to that, isn't there?
One would hope not. I probably have milk chocolate in mine.
It's got a nut in it of some sort.
Yeah, it's a Ferrero one. Probably going to have nuts in it.
Oh, right. Okay.
Nice.
Well, I can't use one of my 3 expletives.
Oh dear.
Because he already has.
Well, no, it's not gorgeous. It's not sumptuous. My God, it's melting down my throat.
I can't find number 1. Do you like it?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I've got my favourite.
It's mouth-wateringly pleasant.
Oh, good.
Is that a bit bland?
No.
It'll do.
Yes. I have a mini whisper. I'm happy. I like whispers. And I agree. Yeah, you found the nut?
It's getting better, is it?
Oh, it's moving on now. No, it's still there. Oh, gorgeous.
Mine's gone.
It's melting.
Nom.
You're happy.
Shall I cause a controversy again and use that word unctuous? Do you remember? Lovely. Thank you.
I very much enjoyed mine as well. So, first day of calendars is a success. No coconuts were harmed in the making of this video. My calendar girl gets her final outfit, and for December she will be wearing, oh that's pretty, that's a top and skirt with a lovely scarf, and I like the fluffy sleeves. Brittany Lee announced yesterday or the day before that the calendar girls will be up for sale in batches of 50 on her Etsy store. So again, I will link in the description down below her Etsy store. I just need to buy a new wardrobe for mine because obviously I have my girl. nakedness on my channel, who knew? The calendar girls are being released. She generally puts a preview of which ones are going to go up on her Etsy store on her Instagram stories. My advice is don't try and go for a specific girl. Kind of get on the shop, click on one and hope for the best. That's how I ended up with this girl. She was not my first choice of face and hairstyle and accessories. I would have liked one with her eyes open, but she is awesome and I love her. And they are all awesome, really. So yeah, it's just kind of like grab one, go for it, and yeah, I wish everybody luck. So I was trying to think what I was going to do today, because I was thinking I was going to make that NCW, then I was thinking that I was going to film some videos, and then I was thinking I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. None of it really made sense, because I want to film the videos on Tuesday because I'm going out Tuesday evening to salsa, which means that I want to put makeup on, which means that that would be a good day to film, because as you all know, I am allergic to makeup. So I do wear it, obviously, but the less I wear it, the better for my skin. So yeah, I was thinking, what am I going to do? And then I could go down to the main house and sew the NCW, but Mum and Dad are having a dinner party, as I say. They have got friends over. I do know the friends, and I would feel kind of rude not interacting with them, but this is being really stupid today. Really stupid. I woke up and it was okay, and it's just got progressively worse as the day has gone on. So I have decided to come and sit at my desk. I am going to set up my December planner. I did use my planner somewhat in November, but not as much as I would like, and I did start taking it around with me, and to the point where I was taking organising my bag so that I could fit this in and carry this with me. So I did like having it available to write notes in and make plans and that kind of thing. So I am starting to use this more. I just need to get back into the habit. So I'm going to set up my December diary. I am going to fill in all the bits and pieces that I've been tracking. I'm going to time-lapse you, and I'm going to talk to you over the time-lapse about the types of stuff that I am using. Otherwise it could be a very long time-lapse with another song that I like that you guys probably will be getting bored of hearing on repeat. So I'm going to put my big TV on, well, my big computer on. I'm going to put Friends on or something that I don't need to pay attention to, get this set up and chat to you whilst I'm doing it. So I'm trying to get my desktop computer to work. I completely forgot what the password is to log in to start with, and then I realised that the keyboard and the mouse and the trackpad have all run out of battery. So whilst I managed to get it turned on, I then couldn't use it. So I decided to stick the laptop on instead, and I did watch Friends. So my diary, at the beginning of the year, I print out, or I buy a set from DIY Fish, and again I will list the details for that in the description down below. I print out the monthly charts at the beginning of the year so that I have one in every month section of my planner, because that way I can forward plan and put notes onto those without having to have the actual diary pages in the Filofax, because you can only really fit 1 month in at a time because it is quite chunky. The monthly chart just has the days of the month with the day and the date on them, and then on the back it has a calendar, and it also has room for notes. So I tend to write there the general overview of what I would like to get done that month, and then the sew-alongs that are due, and at the moment I have 7. So I am trying to catch up with them. I am trying to get them all done. They are all things that I really want to make, so it's not a lack of will, it's just I'm not very good at planning my time, as you guys have probably noticed. And that's another thing that I want to try and work on this month with using my planner, is getting better at organising my time. Anyway, I have to print out the daily pages, and I also print out the weekly chart. There is another section of the planner that comes as well, but I just find that I'm not using it, so I'm not even printing it out anymore. So my weekly chart, I set up a weekly to-do list, things that I want to get accomplished that week, and it has the days of the week, and you can tick it off each task when you
do it. So if you did it on a Monday, you tick it off, and then it's kind of like a master to-do list. And I really like that because it allows me to then work out what I need to be doing that week and what days would work best for those tasks. After that, it goes into the day on 2 pages, which I really like. So it has the date, it has a little box which I use for journaling. Underneath is going to be where I track my spending. I haven't spent any money today, which is awesome. Then it has a numbered grid from 1 till midnight, and that way you can plan out any appointments that you have at specific times. And then on the other page, it is a blank page, and I use that as my daily to-do list. So I write out the things I want to do, and then I put a done, and when I have done those things, I can tick them off. I have tried time blocking, or I think that's what it's called, and I don't think I understood the concept, so I didn't really get on with it, but that might be something that I look into a little bit more this month, because as I say, I am the queen of procrastination and I would like to be more organised. I think that would help. Anyway, that's a lot of time lapse, that's a lot of waffle about my planner. I really like this setup. I love the DIY fish inserts. I'm going to be buying those again for next year. That is the setup for my December diary, and I am loving the tropical print dividers and page tab markers that I have made. Anyway, like I say, enough waffle, back to me.
Proper little alfalfa sprouts going on there. So I have just started editing today's vlog, thinking I was going to come and sit down with you guys and answer some questions because I hadn't filmed very much, and I'm at 12 minutes long because I waffled about my planner a lot. 2 secs, let me grab it. So I think the last thing that I said in that voiceover was how much I like the tropical dividers that I've made, and I think I showed you guys these before, but they are particularly awesome. And I really like them. I've made lots of these like little dividers which actually do come in and out, which is very easy to do. You just punch holes and then snip into those holes, and I have a different one for lots of different things, and they're all different sizes, so that I can kind of keep track of where I am. So yes, I have set this up. I fully intend to be very productive and organised this month. That's something that I want to go forward into next year with as well, is just being a little bit more organised and better managing, getting better at managing my time, because I do work a lot. I just don't think I work as effectively as I could, so I need to work on that, especially now. I mean, the last couple of years it hasn't mattered at all. I can work until midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning, and it not be a problem. But I'm in a relationship now. I want to spend time with him in the evenings when he's not working, so yeah, I need to be a bit, and obviously when I'm going off at weekends and things like that, I would like there still to be videos on the channel, so I just need to be a little bit more organised. It can't be quite as scattergun as it has been. That's the plan for this month and going forward into next year, is to get myself a little bit more organised. Wish me luck. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. It's not been overly Christmassy other than the advent calendars. We tend to not get into the Christmas vibe around here until after the 9th of December, because it is the 5th's birthday on the 9th of December. So we like to get the run up to his birthday being like normal, and then have the 5th's birthday, and then after that is when we start decorating and doing very Christmassy things. There will be more of the same, and I hope you have been enjoying it. I mean, it feels festive because it's got jingle bells underneath it the entire time. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.